Oh my god, guys, I'm engaged! It's not really delicious. No. Hey, mamas. Hey, mamas. Hello, Mr. K. Hello. Laundry again, because when you have a baby, laundry is a non-stop task. But there's gotta be something in the laundry basket at the end of the day anyways. That's just how it always goes. Time for some of these fruit bites. Good job. Good job, Ben mamas. Yay. Good so. Hey Amiga, I am now on my balcony. I'm having like a little mocktail and I'm also gonna journal a little bit. It is only 4 months until 2025 and I think it's a very good time to get my life and head together. Sorry that I'm talking like this because my daughter is sleeping and I want to keep it that way for a little bit. But Benny is also home so he can check on her. But yeah, it's only 4 months until 2025 and I think it's a really good time to just reflect on my goals, see what I can still do and for this year, and to accomplish everything that I wrote down on at the beginning of the year. Sort everything out, like plan out the video content, all things like that. So I'm gonna spend some time on my balcony doing so. And I also have some Palo Santo to burn. I have my headphones, so I'm gonna listen to some meditation music while I do this. And yeah, I think this is very relaxing, and I think this is also really important to just get yourself together. So that's what we're gonna do.
But I'm what you need. I know my high just started, but I hit a peak, yeah.
Pizza, 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 pizza. Ooh.
We are in Rotterdam, and Safi is still refusing to take a nap. Amiga, we are now in Schiedam. Auntie Nose is behind the stroller.
It's me.
Yes. And we are going to a cafe called Schattig. I saw it on Instagram.
Which means cute.
Yes, it means cute in Dutch. So we're gonna go there and see if it's actually cute. But either way, they have good food, so that's what matters, I guess. So yeah, we're going there. Yes, you are. We're now at Schattig Cafe, and we're waiting for our food. We got strawberry matchas. Too cute mix, but we're going to anyways. Okay, let's do a little taste test. It's not really delicious.
Oh shit.
No.
Wij zijn schattig.
Piso nessa areia fina, vejo no mar uma menina.
Wow.
don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chill. I GDM in, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed. I've been out of range, keeping it low. I wanna be bold with you. Don't care who we told it. Well, baby, gotta hold on and let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it.
Hi amiga, today is a new day and we're going to IKEA. Hi Sissy. We are now at the food court and the food is not bussin' today.
It's not bad.
But it's not great either.
The bun actually alright.
Yeah? Mine are not.
Oh,
Yeah.
try it.
This is literally the best changing room that I've ever seen. Like, this is so cute. They have baby wipes and also diapers in here and a paper thingy to put on this. Really nice. I like it. And even like a feeding chair, little cute lamps, and super cute wallpaper. I like it. Alright, we finished eating and everything. Now we're gonna do the showroom and have some inspiration for our future houses. And this is such a lovely kitchen. Oh, feels so homey and cozy. Man cave is good. So cute. Good morning, Sophie. Hey, hello. Good morning. Good morning, Mama. And we're going home. Dag, Tantie. Got unlocked. A woman fell. She fell off the platform in between the train and the platform. That was terrifying to see. I didn't even know that could happen. Anyways, they managed to get her out and she was okay, but it was scary. Oh my god. Hey! Hey, lekker chillen bij oompie John.
Safi, you look too happy.
Bezoek bij oma Ernie. We zijn op bezoek bij oma Ernie. Yay! The next few days are going to be really fun, so I thought I would just vlog. Today I'm going to the cinema by myself. If you are a Colleen Hoover fan, then you know that It Ends With Us came out in cinemas, and since we have a baby now, we can't go together anymore, so I'm gonna go by myself. But it's a really good moment to also be by myself and do something by myself, because the last time that I did that was in May and we're now August as we're speaking. So it's a good time to do this again, to go do something by myself without the baby. I love doing things with my baby, but I find it really difficult to be separated from her. I have a little bit of separation anxiety, and I don't want to have any anxiety at all. Not separation anxiety, not anxiety to take the train, none of that. But all of that is happening, and that's just not good for me. So I'm gonna try to just go to the cinema, trust Benny with the baby because he is her father and he loves her very much as well, and just basically have a good time by myself. And then when I come back home, I can be excited to see the baby, and maybe the baby is also gonna be excited to see me. I did take a shower with her this morning, so that was great. I made sure she's dressed. Benny knows what to do. So we're gonna go ahead and watch a movie today, and maybe I can also treat us when I'm coming back home by buying us something to eat, maybe a poke bowl or something. So yeah, let's go have a good time. Safi? Ga jij lief zijn voor papa? Are you gonna be nice to daddy? Huh? Ga je lief zijn tegen papa?
I love you. Mama gaat even een paar uurtjes weg, oké?
And I couldn't keep it dry. I cried when I left. It's so dumb. But it's a sign that I need this. That I need to go out by myself. And live my own life as well, you know? So dumb. But I have separation anxiety. And it's not fun. It's not fun over here. I don't like it over here, you know? What is this? Other mommies that used to have this or that have children, please tell me it gets better. Let me know in the comments because I'm just asking for myself. I need to know.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet.
Alright, amiga, I made it to the city and Benny already sent me 2 videos. Sophie and him are watching Madagascar at home. She looked happy and everything, so I'm relieved. I'm now gonna buy my ticket and then after that I think I'm gonna have some coffee, maybe journal, because I have another hour until the movie starts. So yeah. My ticket is secured and now I'm gonna find something to eat, maybe a coffee, or not even a coffee, a chai tea latte or something before the movie starts.
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away.
Alright, amiga, I have my drink, journaled, and now it's movie time! Alright, amiga, movie is finished. I just ordered Pokeballs for me and Benny, and after this I'm gonna go home. But the movie was really, really good. It is one of the favorite books that I've ever read, so I was a little bit skeptical about this movie because it had potential to completely ruin the book experience or live up to it, and I feel like it totally lived up to it. So yeah, that was a really, really good movie. I'm curious if there's gonna be a part 2. There kind of has to be, you know, because it ends with us and there is It Starts With Us, which is like the sequel. So I really hope that is gonna come too. Most of the time I feel like if you haven't read the book first and you watch the movie, it's gonna ruin the whole book experience. But right now I feel like it was a very good film edition of the movie, of the book. So yeah, I really like that. But yeah, now I'm waiting for my Pokeballs and then I'm gonna head home to my baby.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other. Heavy.
Hi.
every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to chase perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out.
A new day and Kaya is here again. Kaya! Hi!
Kaya gaan scannen?
Nee, maar even serieus.
Prijs?
Is het echt een prijs?
So today we are at the zoo with Kaya and Ayesha, and we're just walking around. It's so much fun. It's such a good day. The weather is nice, so we're enjoying it. And I'm makeup free, by the way, because it's too hot for any makeup.
Ik zie hij ook die kraan op. Kijk, gaat hij drinken. Dat is goed om te maken.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you when summer's fading. There's
Hi amiga, today is September 1st, 2024, and today marks Benny and I's 11th anniversary. Yes, so we have been together for 11 years. We're not doing anything special today because it's so hot today. It's 31 degrees Celsius, so it is hot. So we are just now in our bedroom because this is the coolest part of the house at this time of the day. Benny is here playing his game. Safar is here. We just all had showers, and Safar had her bottle, so she's just chilling over here. And we also made a seafood boil, so we're gonna have that for dinner later on, but it's all ready and everything. And I think we're just gonna spend some time here. I'm gonna read my book. Sophie's maybe gonna chill and fall asleep. Daddy's gonna play on his Steam Deck. Yeah, that's today. But I just came to realize that, you know, anniversaries, it doesn't always need to be like, I don't know, all type of stuff, going out, doing this, that, and the third. No, we're going strong. We have a baby now, and yeah, to many, many more years to come. Cheers. Hello. Hello.
Yo.
Like a lot, but it's gonna be delicious. Start with shrimp. Oh my god, guys, I'm engaged! I look crazy as hell. I was just about to pump milk for the baby, and I just went to the bathroom and came back. And I got proposed to. And of course, I said yes. On our 11th anniversary. Yes, I'm gonna become a backless. And I'm gonna have the same last name as Sophie and Benny. And you know what I'm so excited for? When we go like traveling and stuff, that they will call us as a family. Can family backless report to gate, blah, blah, blah. Hopefully they won't have to call us, but you know when they call you in the airport, they're gonna say from family backless. I'm so looking forward to that. Anyways, I'm a happy girl. I'm a fiance. And on that note, amiga, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me, whether that is from the beginning or that you joined right now. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I want to say to you to keep believing in your dreams, because I cannot believe that this is the best year yet for me. I have my baby. Now I'm getting teary, but I have my baby. I'm engaged. I'm doing so well in life, and I literally have everything that I ever manifested, and this was just an amazing summer, the best summer of my life. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in another one. Bye.